Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Get bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, this is Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing for some Black Diamond car audio. This is the DIA-R12 and then D2 for dual 2 ohm or D4 for dual 4 ohm. We'll do one video for both, being that the specs are the same except that one is a dual 2 ohm and one is a dual 4 ohm. Let's open her up, see what we got. We got a manual. Oh, that's a beefy one. All right, so first thing I always love on these is the Black Diamond logo. And as you can see, that's on the cone. Huge surround. I mean, the excursion is going to be incredible on this. It's just a beefy speaker. I mean, let's tip her over. It is they do have it in the metal, actually pushed in the Black Diamond logo. I mean, it just looks nice. You have push style terminals, which I don't know how many inexpensive woofers come with really cheap ones and they don't really spring back to hold on to the wire, or they're real loose and end up breaking off. But they actually have this in the cast, that piece that's not welded on, that holds these, so it's solid. It is vented, so the voice coil, every time this moves, going to get air blown through there and help cool it off. We did say it is a dual coil, voice coil, so you got to think dual 2 or dual 4. So one of these would either, say dual 2 would wire down to either 1 ohm or 4 ohm, and a dual 4 would either wire down to 2 ohm or 8 ohm. So when you combine them together, that's how you get your 1 ohm, 2 ohm, or 4 ohm, depending what you're going for. So make sure you get the right one. But it's a nice beefy speaker. I mean, I just like the way it looks. So sometimes we really don't know what we're getting. That's why these unboxing videos are great. It's hard to sometimes tell in the pictures, but when somebody's got it and holding it, you can get a better idea. I'm going to move this forward and let's get into the specs on this thing. So first thing I want to go is, because it's most important, besides obviously power and ohms and that, but the cutout. It's a 12-inch woofer, but your baffle cutout would actually be 10.8 inches. The mounting depth, which is impressive, is only 6.6. So the mounting depth is basically from where you mount this to the baffle to the bottom of the magnet. So you have 6.6 inches. So that's how much you have. Okay. And then overall diameter is important, especially if you're having to put woofers real close together, or you only have a box that's so tall, or vice versa. It's going to be 12.6 inches. So you need 12.6 inches. Say you're going to butt them up together. Okay, specifications. We did say this does come in the dual 2 and the dual 4. This is a 600 watt RMS. It doesn't need that much power. I've heard these. They get down, especially in that price range. It's a great speaker that only needs 600 watts. It will peak out at 12, but keep in mind, just because it says 1200 watts doesn't mean you're going to slap 1200 watts on this thing. You need to gain it down, and remember that speakers can only go so far. They can only play so loud, and if you overextend that, you can cause it to disconnect. It could slap the back. It could burn up and actually melt. So, you know, play it at its specifications. Recommended low pass filter on an amp, they're saying set it at 80 hertz, but frequency response says that this will go down to 20 on up to 300. Okay, this is a 2.5 inch coil, and this is a ferrite magnet, 100 ounces, and I mean, it's just a nice speaker. for your starter systems, even your everydays. It's great to go with them. You can buy this at bigjeffaudio.com. Just search DIA-R12. It should come up, and then obviously you pick a dual 2 or dual. Hey, it's Big Jeff signing off. Make sure you subscribe, share this out, bring your friends to the channel, and just give me a like and a comment. Let me know what you do or don't like or things you want to see in the future. I love the feedback.